Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Hayi ndiyimamele le nto yezi foreign nationals abantu aba-obsessed bamazigxotho beSouth Africa, and then ndijonge abantu abaphambili kule nto, la March and March nale Popeye uPhakela uMthakathi together noNgizwe. So ndive lo mfo uPhakela uMthakathi ethetha into apha, ndaqoma kwakule ndawo ebeye kuyo ziidomkop zonke ebehleli nazo ziyavuma xa isithi umntu eSouth Africa ngamnye, iSouth Africa can afford to give each person i-1 million every year for the rest of their lives. Masiqale nje ku-1 million umuntu ngamnye, singayibali ka-every year. ESouth Africa sibayi-63 million, if I'm not mistaken. And then uthathe la 63 million people, uthathe 1 million multiplying was 63 million. And then unxeba ufumana malini. And then kukhona i-country othi wena ninga-afford unika umuntu 1 million every year. And then uzibuze uba ibhadlile loo nto le. And then you're taking this person very seriously wena, to an extent that ummamele kulowo lo begqiba uthetha into uba yena makanikwe 5 million eyohlala kwiborder, akho mntu azongena phaa just for food. Yabo abantu benu ingqondo emfitshane ilapha ezinyaweni, in fact ingqondo yabo unyathelwa ngayo. And we listen to such people. The same Popeye uPhakela uMthakathi uthetha into apha enqombe ifamanqa ethi why should we document foreign nationals, whereas abantwana bethu apha bakhona bangakwazi ukufumana i-ID because of i-birth certificate abangenazongo. And then that is not a government issue or a government problem. Umntana xa izalwa ngamnye wenzelwa i-birth certificate, and i-onus is upon the person who has given birth to laa mntana uba makamfunele i-birth certificate. So xa ingenayo, it's not a problem of government. It's an issue of lo mntu ebezale lo mntana khange afollowishe okanye the right procedure okanye the right process in terms of registering that child. So yabona abaphakela uMthakathi benu ngabantu nje abagcwele nje ingxolo nje. And as for i-foreign nationals, let me tell you something uzawuthi uyazi ngoba ubungayazi. Azindawo i-foreign nationals, not this year, not in 2030. They are here to stay, whether we like it or not. So fanele kwangoku sivele sisela amanzi nje siqole. Yabona into ze-March and March nento ngumlilo ephepha nje. Bazovunguza bavunguze kuphela amandla, and then the foreign nationals will still be here. And I'm saying this ndithetha le nto because kuyafuneka xa senza into bazalwane sibe nengqondo. Ingqondo ibalulekile, uthixo asiphe ingqondo. And abantu be-March and March, I don't want to lie to us, ingqondo zabo zi-brand new, have never been used. And ngoku bafuna nje, but they're seeking irrelevance, but ke bayikhangela wrong. Emva koku babizwa Ngizwe. Who is Ngizwe? Yabona umuntu othatha uNgizwe serious apha ebomini, they need their head examined, because laa mntu lona ndiyamdawutha uba ii-faculties zakhe zisa-right, apha engqondweni usa-right. Sikhona nje umtya ungafikiyo ncam eparafilini phaa kweni. So that is why enje. And le nto ayenzayo fanele si-understand is doing it because number one ufuna kwenyuke what do you call it, ii-followers zakhe. Kaloku ndoda ayiphangeli leya. So the only way that is going to make money is to seek attention ne-relevance ngolu hlobo kwinto ezinje. Then ke that way uzofumana ne-sponsorship from abantu who are behind, because njengo nto siyibonayo thina, there's someone who's behind le nto ongavelanga yena, but is using aba bantu bangongizwe nophakela umthakathi ne-march and march just to destabilize izinto nje. Remember siya kwi-elections this year go-November, so his stakes are quite high. So ngoku that's why uyoqaphela uba o-march and march abantu abasetyenziswayo ongizwe ngabantu abasebenzisayo phakela umthakathi because bathanda izinto bazawusebenziseka, and for them sisonka sabo lento bayenzayo, yabo. And then baqokelele wonke, yabona bungajonga abantu ababehind okanye abantu abasupporta lento yokugxothwa kwe-foreign nationals, abantu aba-useless abangenzi into. There's no one, it's either oqala business or running a business okanye umuntu osebenzayo oyihoyileyo yonke lento le. Babhizi abantu, they're building their lives, then aba bafuna nje uhambe beyokrasa estradweni baphephe ilento zekuthiwa sintoni i-rubber bullets ne-tear gas, and then bazibizi, but they are fighting as the patriots, they are fighting for the country. For what country? Mani ingqondo make siyisebenzise.
A South African man decided to call out uJacinta Ngizwe and Ophela to say, you know what, ne, whatever that you're doing is nothing. It is nothing, because what do you mean that you're fighting for the country? Like, what do you mean? And he touched on something that really stood out to me, which is that people that are busy with their lives, they don't have time for this. And yes, I actually saw this other video of another South African man hopping into this whole chaos, and he said the same thing, that people might be out there asking themselves, oh, where are South Africans that don't stand with this? And only to find out that those ones that don't stand with this, they're busy with their lives. They are busy. I don't even think, oh, if I have things that I'm busy with, I'm working, or you are doing business, you are trying to build a good future for your kids, you will actually have time to go out there and do the match and match and, be like, you don't have that time, unfortunately. You will not get the time. Those that have the time to go out there, to go to the hospitals, remove those people out. Like, those are the people that don't have anything to do. They are not busy with anything. They're just sitting at home, and fortunately for them, they have got something to do. I don't think go to someone who wakes up every day going to work, they will have that time to wake up in the morning and go to the hospital to do nothing, to just stand there and remove foreign nationals, people, to say, nope, you are not going to receive any medical assistance here, you have to leave. I also don't think so, man. I really don't think someone who goes to work will have time to do that. But anyway, guys, please comment your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think about this video?